Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how to fix die blue screen error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I have two options to try. Option 1 is you can get to your desktop and see all your usual features. So option 1, click on the search box and type reset. From the suggestion, select reset this PC. You will see another option for advanced startup. Now you can click on restart now. After your PC reset, click on advanced option to move to the next step. When you are on advanced option screen, so follow the step. Now click on troubleshoot, advanced option. About this step, first try startup repair. If it fix the problem, you are all set. But if not, you can go back to the option and choose a command prompt. And now the black window will pop up. You need to type few commands to solve these issues. Now follow me. Boot rec space / fix MBO, enter. And then boot rec space / fix boot. As you can see, access is denied. So don't worry, just continue with the few next command. Now type boot SECT space / NT60 space SYS, enter. After that, this command and press boot rec space / fix boot. Now boot rec space / rebuild, enter. SFC space / scan now, enter. This command will be take a little while as it check your system for the pattern while it scan. When that is done, you can type this command and press enter. CAKDSK space C, enter. This will also take some time to complete, so just wait for it to finish. Now is it. Continue. After everything is done, restart your computer. When your PC restart, the issue should be fixed and the blue screen should be gone. If it worked for you, please considering subscribe to my channel, liking the video, and letting me know if you have any question in this comment section. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.